This recording shows how to debug your custom module. First a native ARX module and then a managed module inside your OEM application. We're going to use the polysamp from our OEM training and we're going to debug the ARX module first. Let's have a look at the documentation. So with AutoCAD OEM you can debug a stamped application for 1 week after the stamp date. If it's older than that, you need to rebuild your resources inside the Make Wizard. So inside Visual Studio, you all remember the polyCAD command, the poly command. I have put a breakpoint here. I'm gonna make this is the sub-project, the ARX module. So I'm going to make this one as a startup project, and this is the file, and this is the command. And also I'm going to make sure that in debugging I'm using the poly.exe host application as target. And as you remember, this is the location of that. So when I've done that, I can just go to debug, start debugging. And on the question that these modules are out of date, we need to answer no. So let's see. I'm going to run the poly command from here, and I end up with the breakpoint. Now I can step through the code like this, and I come back here and then back in the debugger. So just so that is how you do that. Back to the Make Wizard, I have the managed VB module here. Let's try and debug that one. In the same manner, I'm going to make this one the startup project. I'm going to go to the test create function, and I'm going to create a breakpoint there. And what more? Yeah, I also need to tell that the poly.exe is my target executable for the debug session. When I've done that, I'm just going to run debug. Same message here, answer no, run the polyCAD, start the drawing, issue the command test, create, and we end up in Visual Studio. We can see what it does here and continue. So next steps. That's it.